Hi guys, we're going up the road to the sawmill at Floyd, and here it is. It's a curvy road. We call it the Snake Road. Now we're coming into the town of Floyd. So,
What do you like about Floyd most?
I don't know.
I thought you'd say the ice cream shop. There's a Mexican restaurant you like.
Ice cream.
Here's the ice cream shop.
Where?
Right there. See?
The Floyd Country Store? No, ice cream. There it is. So we're at the sawmill. He's just loading up all these wood into here. Our Mazda, my favorite truck that we have. I got some to make a project. He doesn't know what it is yet. These two right here, he does not know what I'm going to make with these yet. I'm going to cut all the bark off with my hand. I'm going to just go and, but this is like, they put chemical in here to make the wood not turn black. It stops it from being black. So that's what that is. Here's our truck that we're loading it in. Oh, what is this? So I'm gonna go pick one up. For our first project, we decided to build Mama Mary a grotto. Because Sita was afraid of her being into the rain. So here it is. Check it out.